Good morning, dear children. Welcome back to English class. Hope you all are fine and safe. Today we are going to learn Grammar, Chapter 12, Past Continuous Tense. Do you remember what you have learned in last grammar class? It's about past tense. So, what do you mean by past tense? The actions that completed in the past. And today we are going to learn past continuous tense. It means actions that were happening at a particular time in the past. Look at these examples. The rats were following the paper. Red Riding Hood was going to her granny's house. Cinderella was wearing a beautiful gown. Miss Muffet was sitting on a tuffet. Here, the highlighted words tells us that the actions were happening sometime in the past. And one more thing you notice here, in the continuous tense, the main verb has an ing form. For example, following, going, wearing, sitting. So all these verbs are main verbs and we add ing with that main verb. Continuous tense has helping verb before the main verb. And which are the helping verb in these sentences? We use was or were plus ing form of the verb. Now all these sentences have verbs that show actions in the past. Each action is shown continuing in the time gone by. So the verbs are in past continuous tense. And where do we use was or were? We use was with singular subjects and were with plural subjects. Now look at this table and understand the use of was or were and the ing form of the verb. The boy, he, she, it, I. So these are singular subjects and we use which helping verb? Was. Was running. And next table shows plural subjects. They are the boys, we, they, you. Here we use which helping verb? Were. Were running. Now we move to exercises. First exercise, fill in the blanks with was or were. The children dash flying kites. And which is the subject here? The children. So children means more than one child. So it's a plural. So we use were. Second one, she dash wearing a blue skirt. Which is the subject here? She. And she is singular. So we use was. Third one, Rohini and Alisha dash playing in the park. How many persons are there? Two, so they are plural. So we use helping verb were. Fourth one, the teachers dash correcting our notebooks. And look at the subject here. It is plural because teachers shows more than one. So it's a plural. So we use were. Fifth one, they dash practicing for the match. Here the word they shows more than one person. So we use helping verb were. Sixth one, Rahul dash painting a scenery. And which is the subject here? Rahul. Here Rahul is singular. So was is the answer. Seventh one, the child dash crawling on the floor. The child is singular. So the answer is was. Then the last one, I dash walking on the road when I saw the accident. Look at the subject here. It is I. Here we use was with I. Now we move to page number 59. What were they doing? Look at the pictures and read the word clues. Write the answers using was or were. Here you can see some pictures. Look at that pictures carefully and some clues are given below that pictures and you have to make a sentence with was or were. First one, what were Preeti and Raju doing yesterday? And remember children, we have already learned the words that used in the past tense. Which are they? Yesterday, last week, last night, last year, etc. So what's the answer of first question? Preeti and Raju were playing yesterday. So we add here ing with that main verb play. Second one, what was Priya doing this morning at 10 a.m.? Priya was drinking milkshake at 10 a.m. So which is the main verb here? Drink. So we add ing with that main verb drink. Third question, what were mother and I doing last week? So here two persons are there. We use the helping verb were. So the answer will be we were shopping last week. Here the main verb is shop and we add ing with that shop and the last letter becomes double. That is shopping SHOPPING. And next question, what was Simi doing last night? Simi was dancing last night. Here the letter E is replaced by ing and it becomes dancing. Simi was dancing last night. Then fifth question, how was the weather last week? It was raining last week. Sixth one, what were the cows doing an hour back? They were grazing an hour back. Then seventh one, what was Spotty doing last night? Spotty was sleeping on couch last night. The last question, what was your brother doing on Sunday morning? He was mopping on Sunday morning. So children, all these sentences tell us that the actions were happening sometime in the past. So they are said to be in the past continuous tense. Now we move to the last exercise of this chapter. Answer the questions using was or were plus ing form of the verb. Where were you going yesterday? I was going to the zoo yesterday. Why were you going to the zoo? I was going to the zoo to see the animals. Whom were you going with? I was going with my family. Who was driving the car? My father was driving the car. So children, hope you have understood this chapter. We use the past continuous tense to talk about actions that were happening at a particular time in the past. The actions that were happening in the past is past action and it's no longer on the present time. And the form of past continuous tense was with singular subject and were with plural subject plus main verb plus ing form of the verb. So all of you practice this chapter well and complete your work. That's all for today. Thank you. Take care.